Ready to ditch store-bought and sew a super cute plaid skirt that's totally you, even if you've barely touched a sewing machine. First, grab a beginner-friendly aligned skirt pattern. Simplicity patterns are a great place to start. Lay it out on your chosen plaid fabric, making sure to match the plaid at the seams for a professional look. Pin securely and carefully cut out the front and back pieces. Now, with right sides facing, sew the side seams together using a straight stitch and a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of each seam to lock it in place. Press the seams open with an iron for a flatter finish. Next, prepare your waistband. You can use a simple rectangle of fabric or a pre-made waistband facing. Attach the waistband to the top of the skirt, right sides facing, and sew along the edge. Press the waistband out and fold it over to the inside, encasing the raw edge. Time for the zipper. Insert an invisible zipper into the back seam following the zipper foot instructions of your sewing machine. This might seem tricky, but take your time and go slowly. There are plenty of online tutorials if you need extra help. Finally, hem the skirt by folding the bottom edge up twice, pressing with an iron, and then stitching it in place. A narrow hem looks best for skirts. And there you have it, a stylish, personalized plaid skirt you made yourself. Don't forget to share your creations using #SewingForBeginners and #PlaidSkirt. Now go sew your dream skirt.